Welcome to Education Hub. Hello kids, do you know fruits are so healthy? So in today's video, let's learn some important fruits name. This is apple. Apple in Hindi is seb. This is banana. Banana in Hindi is kela. This is orange. Orange in Hindi is santara. This is mango. Mango in Hindi is aam. This is cherry. Cherry in Hindi is cherry. This is guava. Guava in Hindi is amrood. This is papaya. Papaya in Hindi is papita. This is raspberry. Raspberry in Hindi is raspberry. This is fig. Fig in Hindi is anjeer. This is plum. Plum in Hindi is aloo bukhara. This is grapes. Grapes in Hindi is angoor. This is watermelon. Watermelon in Hindi is tarboos. This is peach. Peach in Hindi is known as aru. This is kiwi. Kiwi in Hindi is kiwi. This is apricot. Apricot in Hindi is khubani. This is blueberry. Blueberry in Hindi is blueberry. This is strawberry. Strawberry in Hindi is strawberry. pineapple. Pineapple in Hindi is ananas. This is avocado. Avocado in Hindi is avocado. This is pomegranate. Pomegranate in Hindi is anar. Please subscribe our channel